Welcome to Innera Calm. I'm Aurora Vinterdis. In Lesson 1, we explored physical relaxation. In Lesson 2, we used the breath as a point of attention. Today, we turn our attention toward stillness. For many beginners, stillness sounds simple. Then they lie down for practice and discover how active the mind can be. Thoughts appear, plans appear, memories appear. Attention moves from one thing to another. This is not a sign that something is wrong. It is often the first time we notice how much activity is already taking place. During daily life, much of that activity remains in the background. When external demands become quieter, it becomes easier to observe. One of the most common misunderstandings about stillness is the belief that it should feel dramatic. Many people expect a sudden shift, a completely empty mind, a powerful sensation of calm. Sometimes experiences like that happen. More often, the first signs of stillness are subtle. A thought finishes, and another one does not immediately replace it. A sound is heard without pulling attention away. The body remains comfortable for a few moments without the urge to move. Breathing continues in the background while awareness stays relaxed. These experiences can last only a few seconds. They are easy to overlook. Yoga Nidra develops the ability to recognize them. Another helpful thing to understand is that stillness and mental activity can exist together. Thoughts may still appear, sounds may still be present, sensations may still change. The difference is that attention becomes less involved with them. A thought appears, it is noticed, then attention returns naturally to observation. There are also habits that frequently interrupt stillness. One is evaluation. The mind begins asking whether progress is happening. Another is anticipation. Attention starts searching for the next experience before the current moment has finished. A third is effort. Observation becomes tense rather than relaxed. Recognizing these habits is part of learning Yoga Nidra. The moment they are noticed, awareness has already become clearer. As practice continues, stillness often becomes easier to recognize, not because the mind suddenly becomes empty, because attention becomes more familiar with quieter experiences. In the next practice, there will be longer periods of silence than in the previous lessons. The guidance will become lighter. You will have more opportunity to observe without interruption. Rather than searching for a particular state, spend time noticing what is already present. Notice moments of quiet when they appear. Notice activity when it appears. Both belong to the experience. This is Aurora Vinterdis for Innera Calm. Thank you for joining me. I will see you in Lesson 3.2, Yoga Nidra for deep stillness.